Meditation can be challenging at first, especially with a busy mind. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Find a quiet space. Choose a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or the floor, keeping your back straight but relaxed. Close your eyes. Gently close your eyes to minimize visual distractions. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to your breathing. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Acknowledge thoughts. It's normal for thoughts to arise. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Try not to judge or engage with the thoughts. Just acknowledge them and let them pass. Start with short sessions. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes a day. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration. Use guided meditations. If you're struggling to focus, guided meditations can be helpful. Start listening to meditation music, which is also available on my channel. You can listen to such music in the morning, before sleeping, and while showering. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that improves with practice. It's normal for your mind to be busy, especially at the beginning. Be kind to yourself and keep practicing regularly. Over time, meditation can help you gain better control over your thoughts and emotions. Subscribe to my channel gyaanManthann for more information on meditation and listen to meditation music to calm your mind.